remain Dandutse Mohamed representing Katsina South. Mr. President, my respected colleagues, this bill is timely and for austerity reasons and for a better success in election in Nigeria, we have to look at the very fundamental issues that are left behind. One, unless, of course, since the amendment is comprehensive reform, a repeal and enactment intended to provide with a stronger, more credible, and more inclusive electoral reform. If, as lawmakers, to make this thing work responsibly and efficiently, and even to save cost for the country, it is very important to hold election of all their elections of various offices at one day. And at the same time, the election of local governments must be brought to the National Electoral Commission so that at least credibility will be restored in the election in the grassroots, because that is where the election is supposed to be formed so that it will have a meaningful development in Nigeria. And finally, Mr. President and my respected colleagues, the number of political parties in Nigeria are many. So it's supposed to be, in this electoral reform, at least not more than 10. Some of them, they are just in the paper because they are not meaningful to the electoral process of Nigeria. They are only creating confusion. And at the same time, the defection issues which need to be addressed, because you cannot be elected in a platform and then you'll be defected without exchanging a strict law that is supposed to be put in, because the mandate and the will of the people is being betrayed. So as a matter of fact, we have to look at it as leaders to ensure that if we want to make this electoral amendment and to restore the confidence of Nigerians and also to restore the dignity of Nigeria in the international fora, we have to make sure that all these issues are looked into clause by clause so that we can move this electoral bill forward and make Nigeria greater for the better and for the yet unborn generation. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, distinguished colleagues.